Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make these two cuties with the help of CDs and a Shilpkar. So here I have already rolled the Shilpkar and I'm now gonna cut some shapes out of it. I'm cutting these shapes by using this cutter. These shapes will be used as its mouth, ear, nose and etc. Now I have all these shapes. Now I will place it accordingly. The first two smallest circles I'm gonna use for eyes, and other two big circles for areas around mouth and nose. Now I will take a small part of a Shilpkar and gonna shape it in a triangular to make a nose. I'm also adding eyelid over the eyes. ऑल ओवर इट लुक्स नाइस टू मी, बट इसके जो ईयर्स हैं ये मुझे अच्छे नहीं लग रहे थे, सो आई जस्ट टुक देम ऑफ एंड उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ पे माउथ ऐड किया, देन बाद में मैंने ईयर्स दोबारा ऐड किए. सो जस्ट लेट्स सी दैट. दिस टाइम आई यूज अ ट्रायंगुलर शेप फॉर ईयर्स एंड ये मुझे ठीक लगा थोड़ा सा. So now it is done. I have almost added everything and now I will let it dry for 90 minutes and after that we're gonna paint it. So here I am using this light gray color that I made mixing white and black color. Now with the help of darker shade of gray, I'm gonna add some hair lines to it. So as of now, I'm using this white as a base for ears, mouth and eyes. After that, I'll color its nose, ears and tongue. So इसकी eyes के लिए I've used this really light blue color and adding this black as pupil. And now after adding all the details, it looks alive, isn't it? So this is how it looked like after coloring. After this, to give it a shine and to fix everything, I'm gonna use this wood coater. And to apply it, I'm gonna use this टूटा फूटा old brush that I have और मैं पूरे अच्छे से इसको कवर कर दूँगी इसके फेस को. So basically हम लोग क्राफ्ट में शाइनिंग के लिए मॉच पॉच यूज़ करते हैं, बट मेरे पास ये वुड कोटर था and I thought to give it a try and it worked amazingly for me. And it's almost done and just look at that shine. और इसी सेम वे में मैंने एक पैंडा भी बनाया है and इसके पीछे मैंने वाइट पेपर लगाया है. And now to add whiskers, I'm gonna use this small piece of thread and I'm gonna add it with the help of Fevicol now. After adding all of them, I'm gonna cut off all the extra parts. So this is how our cat looked like. And if you really love the cats, then you must try this DIY. To stick it, you can use double-sided tape. If you are an animal lover, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.